Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope, inshallah, all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه فلا وربك لا يؤمنون حتى يحكموك فيما شجر بينهم ثم لا يجدوا في أنفسهم حرجا مما قضيت ويسلموا تسليما. It means, but no, by your Lord, they can have no real faith until they make you judge in all disputes between them and find in their souls no resistance against your decision, but accept them with the fullest conviction. Let's see the expression of our great leader Ayatollah Khamenei in the book An Outline of Islamic Thought about this verse. He says, one of the most important indicators of true faith is believing in all divine commands and not choosing between them, adhering to the decree of the messenger of God in arguments and disputes. It's another manifestation of the same faith in God. The obligations of a believer are not occasional or arbitrary. This is not the case for the one who wants to consider himself a believer to be a believer whenever his own aggressive personal gain and profits demands, wherever in the name of faith and by pretending to act, bring a name of faith and action. But in those cases where faith and action do not produce personal gain, aggressive and transgressive profit for him, he turns away from the name of Islam and the name of faith, and from fulfilling the obligations of faith. The person who is a believer and wants to remain a believer and benefit from the fruits of being a believer must feel commitment to all the commands of God and must feel commitment everywhere. Dear brothers and sisters, religion and social governance in Islam are not separate from each other. One of the biggest and most dangerous examples of arbitrary faith that has been discussed since long time ago is the separation of religion from social governance. Many people want to separate the political and social part of Islam from this program and the exact divine lifestyle and devote religion to devotional and individual topics. How can Islam be separated from politics? How can politics be interpreted and shaped by a guidance other than the guidance of Islam? If we really want to fulfill our promise and live the Quran and follow the verse 65 of Surah An-Nisa discussed today, we cannot separate religion from the social and political affairs of our lives, things that have formed a huge part of our personal and social life needs. God all the best to you. Goodbye.